Today we're going to go over the function called Flange unfold. So first I'm going to read in an IGES file, unfold.igis. In this file I have two surfaces. One is the surface which has the flange that we would like to unfold onto the other surface, which is pretty much flat but can be curved. So first thing I'm going to mesh this part with the flange. To do that, we go to MF Pre, Auto Mesh, and make sure the mesh is small enough to catch the shape and the radius. So I make the deviation pretty low too. Active, mesh, accept. Then I'm going to mesh the other surface, the tooling surface. Same thing, auto mesh, active, mesh, accept. All right, now I have two mesh here. I have the mesh, turn off the surface, the mesh for the flange part, and the mesh for the tool part. For the flange part, we have to do a little bit more. The software right now only allow you to take the flange, the element which cover the flange surface, the flange element, flange area. So I have to delete all the extra element. So let's go to element tool, element edit, delete. I'm going to delete use picking element and propagate with 5-degree control. So delete that, delete that, delete. I need to delete all these also. So I'm going to manually pick some of those elements here, not propagate, just pick. I'm going to try delete here, here, here. Just create a gap here. So delete that. More. And then same thing on the other side. I'm going to try delete right here. So here, this one. One more, done. Now this lower portion is completely detached with the portion we like to keep. So I'm going to delete all this area by go to pick, propagate, give a larger angle, delete. So they're all gone. I think I made a mistake here. There's actual element got deleted. It should be okay. So accept, done. Now we're ready to define and to unfold it. One more thing we have to check, make sure the normal is right. The normal need to point to each other. So the red part should point to the blue should point to the red. So we go to MF pre normal. And you can see the red color part. This side is red, the other side change color, which means the normal is pointing in to the tool direction, which is correct. So this flange part normal is right, but the other part changed color means it's pointing down. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn off this and then say the reverse normal, reverse this part. So you reverse it back. Now we're good. We're good to move to the next step. So next step, we go to application, metal forming, and then right here, unfold flange. And then we pick the tool part, which is the blue part, and the flange part is this part. And material, we do have to pick material for the calculation. I'll just pick one, use the thickness, default, and boundary condition. This is open loop flange. Then we have to select 4 nodes. So these 4 nodes is this 4 of them. 3 of them are on the edge, which is the hinge side, which is the one fixed on one end. And then the 4th node is one free node on the side, which will swing down. Yeah, this 4 nodes is not very clearly stated in the interface. So that's what the 4 nodes for. 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, 1 on the top. Then you're done. You can go to select the folder and then give some folder name and then the file. For this one, you probably want to put a K here. So save keyword, then You can run with else run. Just go to that folder, go to this test 3, and there are two files written out. This one is the mesh. You can tell it's the tool, and this is the keyword file. So when you run, you pick that file and make sure it's double precision because this is an implicit calculation. So double precision, and you can go run. And this will run for a while. So I'm going to just bring up the other result, previous result. You go result, open. I think I have the result here. Test 2. Okay. Then let's turn off other part. And you can see this is unfold result. And right here, you can also see the contour of the effective plastic string. I'm going to turn off the tool, only the part. So vernices, pressure, and shell thickness. Yeah, we do have some really nasty area here, which kind of make the contour goes a little bit crazy. So this shows this unfold in this area will have some issues. And for shell thickness, I think the shell thickness range is there are a lot of compression, so it goes very high. We can kind of adjust the contour range by fringe range. Go to instead automatic, go to user defined. See it go up very high, so the color kind of hard to tell what's happening. So I'm going to lower that and say update. Now you can tell more clearly that this unfold will have some issue here, which is thinning, and then we do have thickening in many places. So if you like to check the thickening information in detail, we can increase this number because there will be all red. Everything above 0.8 is red now. So I make it 1 update. Oh, I think I did 0.1. 1 update. Now you can tell more clearly this is the compression area thickening. Now this is thinning area. All the red area are compression. And these you can tell is folded up. So that's the function for unfold. It's very powerful, very accurate. I hope you're having fun with this function. Thank you.